Let's make some grilled chicken pizza. First, we're gonna crank our smokeless grill. Gonna take this up to about 350. Take your chicken breasts, gonna cut them in half. Of course, we're gonna hit it with that AP seasoning. Now that my smokeless grill is ready, we're gonna get our chicken on. Now, we flip our chicken. It's just after about 10 minutes. Slice up a red onion. Then we go down with some of the M9 barbecue sauce and we just spread it around. Now for no reason other than you had less mozzarella than you thought you did at home, we're gonna go down with some mozzarella and some cheddar. Chicken pieces down. Red onions. More chest over top. Optional, more barbecue sauce over the top.
Oh my God.
375-degree oven, about 12-15 minutes. 13 minutes later, we coming out with our hands up. Though the crust is done, we're gonna brown it. Let's do this again. Oh, there goes some good color. Now we cut. After we cut, ooh, that's hot. I'm not gonna eat that, but we eat and enjoy.